Christmas. The Cody Stumbo
and the Kinny Landrum on Facebook.
all throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.
Welcome to Cody and Kinny's.
12 days of Christmas.
So, on our first day of Christmas,
We're going to bring to you guys Toyota Safety Sense. Now this is these are safety features on all of our vehicles, all of them except for the 4Runner, and me and Kenny are going to go over some of the features that you get when you get
I
this
thought I
car.
was the Kenny Landrum.
You can be the Kenny Landrum if you want to.
Okay, awesome.
All right, so the first one we're going to do is a pre-collision system. This is an integrated camera and radar system that is designed to reduce the likelihood of impact with the vehicle in front of you.
Awesome. So the second feature of Toyota Safety Sense P is lane departure alert with steering assist. So there's a camera on the windshield that may help you avoid unintended lane departure. And it's also when the steering assist is active, it can actually sense that you're unintentionally drifting, and it will help make small corrections in the steering.
The next one we got, guys, is automatic high beams. Now the camera with the Toyota Safety Sense will sense oncoming vehicles, and then it's going to automatically dim and brighten your bright lights accordingly to the cars coming towards you.
And the last feature of Toyota Safety Sense P is dynamic radar cruise control / full speed range dynamic range cruise control. So this is a high-tech cruise control system where you can actually set your cruise control 1, 2, or 3 different type of preset distances from the car in front of you. It's really awesome feature. Toyota Safety Sense P on all of our vehicles except
We have a Toyota Safety Sense C that comes on our Prius C, the Corolla IM, and the Yaris, which does not include dynamic radar cruise control.
yes. So Toyota Safety Sense C has the pre-collision system
Lane departure alert.
and the automatic high beams.
Remember, oh, sorry, Katie.
No,
Didn't mean to
no,
interrupt
sorry,
you.
Cody.
Remember, guys, that these features are on all of our vehicles except for the Toyota 4Runner.
And wait a minute, they're standard.
Standard on all vehicles, no matter what trim level.
And guess what? It doesn't cost you any extra money. I guess that's what
Not
standard means.
A penny.
Not a penny.
Not a penny. That would, I guess, mean what's standard.
That would mean what standard means. So be sure to catch us on our second episode of.
Kenny and Cody's 12 days.
I thought it was Cody and Kinny's. Yes, Cody and Kinny's.
Kenny and Cody's 12
Cody
days
and
of
Kinny's.
Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
12 days of Christmas. The Cody Stumbo
And the Kenny Landrum on Facebook.
all throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.